Okay, the irregular verbs. So these are a few verbs that don't follow the exact pattern. Like I said, there are always exceptions in any language. Some are just different than what you might think, whereas verbs like escribir follow a pretty set pattern. There are some that specifically stem changes. So the first of these are venir, which is the verb for to come. The E in venir will change to IE whenever you conjugate it. So for he comes, it'll be viene, or you come, it will be vienes. The yo form in this case is a little different. It's actually going to be vengo, VENGO. That's another instance of it being irregular. Tener means to have. Again, the E is going to change to IE. So, tienen, tenemos. For the yo form, again, it's tengo, just like vengo. Querer means to want. For empezar, the second E is going to change to IE. So, empiezo, empiezan, how they'll be conjugated. For all these words, the yo form is GO at the end instead of their ending. We already went over vengo and tango, but salgo for salir, and salir means to leave. Alright, and that will be it